Hey, it's your girl Aggie J, and I just want to come on and encourage another fellow makeup artist. Y'all see how I match skin like a goddess, but it took me years to get there. Like, this is a process, and I don't think everybody is willing to go onto the journey of the process. I learned this by myself. No one taught me a damn thing. I went to esthetician school. Esthetician school is not about makeup. It's about skin, number one, which is a good quality. And I did learn a lot of things about skin to help me have a flawless base like this. But makeup literally takes time. It's a process that I'll never forget. And I'm very grateful and humbled of the experience. But I want to let, new coming makeup artists and, makeup artists that are still in the game, let them know that, like, when you're just good, you intimidate people. And they're just going to be intimidated by your talent, by your work ethic, by what you do. But you have to keep doing what you are doing at all times because you love it. I love doing makeup. I love when I take a girl, she's shy and timid, and then we go through this experience together, and now she can't stay out of her phone. And I make sure I make them feel good because I care. And I care. The reason why my clients' faces are always looking so perfect and up to shape is because I care. I'm not just putting them on anybody's face. I'm doing a face that's theirs. And whether it's a full glam beat like this one or natural, I cater to their faces. It's a thing that I pride myself in because I took years in doing so. So the next time you see a girl you admire her skill and like what she does, know that it took her years to do that. And you can get there too, boo. It's all in the practice and the care for the art. You have to also care to evaluate yourself and elevate because makeup grows. Also, that is Aggie J makeup collection, 25 collection for show on the lips. And this is the finished look, not a flaw anywhere. You guys, this is no filter. This is no flitter. No flitter. And it took me years to get here. A doctor is only a great practitioner because they literally took years in practicing. If you see a girl and she's doing well, congratulate her. Don't hate on her because it took her years to get here. Makeup artists support one another because we need one another. And if they hate, let them hate. Bye.